Look at this, gonna capture every photo in pristine condition with this like 1970s, 80s, or 90s. I forgot what decade it was. Sylvania blue dot. What's it called? Film camera. It even has the Kodacolor V1 film in it from Kodak. So fancy. What if I'm just like in a golf course trying to take a photo and an angry golfer finds and hits me? Well then, you had me fooled. I thought vintage stuff was just so much better than modern stuff, but wow, that was pathetic. I don't even know what's left of it. Oh, the film. Kodacolor VR film, that's what it was. Kodak. Processes C4 1A. That was just the best. Well, that was easy.